Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten. Today we delve into the transparency of AI with explainable AI, explore how businesses build competitive moats for long-term success, and examine how cultural attitudes towards risk influence user interface design across the globe. Join us as we unravel these topics to better understand their impact on technology, business, and design. What exactly makes AI explainable, and why is this concept becoming increasingly crucial in our tech-driven world? This question sits at the heart of today's discussion, where we delve into the intriguing domain of explainable AI, XAI, its significance, operational mechanisms, and the benefits it offers across various sectors. At its core, explainable AI encompasses processes and methods that enable humans to understand and trust the outcomes produced by machine learning algorithms. The advent of AI has significantly transformed how decisions are made, from healthcare diagnostics to financial services. However, as AI systems become more complex, understanding the rationale behind their decisions, the how and why, has emerged as a pivotal concern. This opacity of AI's decision-making process, often referred to as the black box dilemma, is where explainable AI steps in, shining a light on the inner workings of these advanced systems. One might wonder, why is explainability so vital? To start, it fosters trust and confidence among users and stakeholders in AI-driven environments. Imagine a scenario in healthcare where a deep learning model predicts a patient's susceptibility to a particular disease. Clinicians and patients alike would understandably want to know on what basis the AI system arrived at its conclusions. Here, XAI can demystify the AI's decision-making process, ensuring that its recommendations are reliable and trustworthy. Moreover, explainable AI is not just about building trust. It's also about accountability and fairness, ensuring that AI systems do not inadvertently perpetuate biases or make unjustifiable decisions. This aspect of XAI is particularly crucial in sectors like criminal justice and financial services, where the implications of biased AI decisions can have profound impacts on individuals' lives. But how does explainable AI work? Techniques such as local interpretable model agnostic explanations, LIME, and deep learning important features, DeepLift, are among the tools at the disposal of data scientists to enhance the transparency of AI models. LIME, for instance, helps in breaking down the prediction of a classifier in a way that's understandable to humans, providing insights into why the AI system made a specific decision. Similarly, DeepLift reveals how each neuron's activation contributes to the final decision, offering a traceable path through the AI's thought process. The distinction between AI and XAI is akin to the difference between solving a math problem and showing one's work. While both might arrive at the correct answer, the latter provides a clear, step-by-step understanding of how the conclusion was reached. This transparency is not just for the benefit of those directly interacting with AI systems, but also for regulatory compliance and ethical considerations, ensuring that AI applications are responsible and justifiable. In real-world applications, the benefits of explainable AI are vast and varied. In healthcare, it enhances diagnostic accuracy and patient trust in AI-driven treatment recommendations. In the financial sector, it brings transparency to credit scoring and loan approval processes, helping to eliminate biases and ensure fairness. And in criminal justice, it aids in making risk assessments more accountable, reducing the chance of wrongful predictions. As we move forward, the integration of explainable AI into various sectors will undoubtedly increase, driven by the growing demand for transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI applications. The journey towards fully explainable AI is complex and challenging, but it is a necessary step in the evolution of AI, ensuring that these powerful tools serve humanity in an ethical and responsible manner. In conclusion, as AI continues to permeate every facet of our lives, the importance of explainability cannot be overstated. By demystifying the decision-making processes of AI systems, explainable AI not only builds trust and confidence, but also ensures that the deployment of AI technologies is responsible, fair, and aligned with societal values. As we embrace this next wave of technological advancement, the principles of explainable AI will play a crucial role in shaping a future where AI and humans collaborate effectively, ethically, and transparently. And now, pivot our discussion towards learn entrepreneurship. What differentiates a successful business from its competitors, and how can a company secure its place in the market for the long term? This is the pivotal question we will explore today, diving into the concept of moats in the venture circle and understanding their significance in building a sustainable, value-driven company. The term moat is often thrown around in business discussions, yet its meaning is frequently misunderstood. In essence, a moat refers to a company's proven, perpetuating, and permanent economic advantages over its competitors. These advantages are quantifiable and are expected to either remain stable or grow stronger over time, ensuring the company's long-lasting value and success. However, it's crucial to note that these economic advantages, or moats, are not inherent to a company from day one. Early-stage investors, rather than evaluating a company's current moat, focus on its potential or path to develop a moat trajectory. This trajectory is essentially the roadmap a company follows to build its competitive advantages or capabilities. Capabilities are the intangible assets a business develops to operate more effectively and earn returns above others in the market. They are the engines of your competitive advantage, determining the persistence and scope of your moat. Despite not appearing on a balance sheet, these capabilities are arguably the most valuable asset of a company. Drawing from Bruce Greenwald's Competition Demystified, we understand that competitive advantages fall into two categories: customer captivity and resource captivity, both of which are strengthened by scale. Expanding on this, we recognize the importance of network effects and organizational design in establishing captivity. These elements combined provide a simplified but exhaustive list of capabilities critical for a company's success. Scale capabilities enhance a company's ability to acquire and retain customers, customer captivity, or produce its product, resource captivity, more efficiently and at a lower cost. For instance, Bank of America benefits from demand-side economies of scale, making it cheaper and easier to acquire customers. Similarly, General Mills enjoys supply-side economies, reducing production costs through higher asset utilization and lower cost of capital. Network effects, unlike scale, tend to yield exponential returns. These effects take various forms and are crucial in startup circles. For example, Facebook and eBay have thrived due to user and customer network effects, respectively, where the value of their service increases with each new user. Organizational design also plays a pivotal role in a company's competitive strategy. In the digital age, venture capital has enabled companies to adopt fundamentally different business models, focusing on long-term strategic advantages rather than immediate profit. This approach has led to winner-take-all dynamics, with organization design capabilities divided into those related to customer captivity and resource captivity. For businesses aiming to establish a competitive edge, identifying and focusing on building the right capabilities is crucial. Whether it's achieving localized economies of scale, becoming the go-to platform for third-party developers, or locking in customer data, knowing your North Star and aligning your company's efforts towards it is essential. In conclusion, understanding and developing capabilities that lead to a moat trajectory is foundational to a company's long-term competitive advantage. As we've explored, these capabilities range from scale and network effects to organizational design. Companies like Amazon exemplify the power of leveraging multiple capabilities effectively. For any business looking to secure its market position and build lasting value, focusing on these critical areas is not just beneficial, but necessary. Now let's explore how different cultures approach the design of user interfaces, reflecting their unique attitudes towards risk and uncertainty. Why do some countries prefer more complex user interfaces, UIs, while others lean toward simplicity? This intriguing question reveals a fascinating intersection between cultural psychology and technology design, specifically in the realm of user experience, UX. Today, we're diving into the concept of risk tolerance and its impact on UI preferences across different cultures. Let's start with an interesting observation. Countries like Switzerland, the United States, Sweden, the United Kingdom, and the Netherlands top the Global Innovation Index. These nations share several common traits. They're wealthy, have Protestant roots, experience relatively cold weather, and have a significant portion of their population consisting of immigrants or descendants of immigrants. This background has cultivated a culture of innovation, partially fueled by a historical necessity to adapt and take risks due to unpredictable conditions and scarce resources. Contrast this with countries such as Spain, Italy, and Greece, where a more stable and predictable life was possible thanks to milder climates and established empires. These conditions did not necessitate the same level of risk-taking or innovation for survival. This divergence in historical lifestyles has led to different cultural attitudes towards uncertainty and risk, encapsulated in the concept of uncertainty avoidance, UA. UA measures the extent to which people feel threatened by ambiguous situations and their efforts to avoid these uncertainties. Innovation, by its very nature, brings ambiguity. New ideas and disruptive products transform life into an experiment, making low UA countries often better innovators. They have a cultural tolerance for the unknown, embracing change and uncertainty more readily than their high UA counterparts. This cultural dimension of uncertainty avoidance significantly impacts various aspects of society, including legal systems, educational preferences, and business practices. For instance, high UA cultures tend to prefer specialists with extensive degrees and experience, ensuring a job is done adequately through established processes and explicit laws. In contrast, low UA cultures value generalists capable of performing a wide range of tasks, even without deep expertise in all of them, reflecting a more flexible and adaptable approach to work and life. When it comes to UX design, these cultural differences manifest in distinct preferences for navigation, information design, and visual aesthetics. High UA cultures prefer more detailed and complex navigations, allowing users to thoroughly analyze all available options before making a decision. This is evident in the government websites of Belgium and Portugal, which feature well-structured content domains supported with sub-items for comprehensive review. Meanwhile, low UA cultures, such as those in Hong Kong and the UK, adopt a more abstract navigation structure. These users are comfortable exploring and making choices with less information, indicative of their higher tolerance for uncertainty and ambiguity. This distinction extends to information design, where high UA cultures collect more information on average, seeking to minimize unknown situations. A study involving users from 187 countries found that members of high UA cultures explored all available options on a website more thoroughly than those from low UA cultures. The impact of UA on trust and online shopping behavior is also noteworthy. High UA countries place a greater emphasis on visible trust symbols, such as credit card logos, on websites. This is because uncertainty and trust are closely linked, with high UA cultures requiring more reassurances to feel comfortable making online transactions. So, how can this understanding of UA guide UX design for a global audience? The key is to aim for designs that reduce user uncertainty. Including extra logos, lines of text, or a more complete navigation structure can provide the necessary reassurance for users from high UA cultures without significantly impacting the experience of users from low UA cultures. However, it's important to note that cultural dimensions like UA provide only one lens through which to view and understand a country's cultural preferences. They should be used holistically, considering other societal, economic, and institutional factors. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to designing for different cultures, but a deep understanding of these cultural differences is a crucial first step. By conducting user tests and refining designs based on feedback, designers can create more inclusive and effective UIs that cater to the diverse needs of a global audience. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.